Oh, what an adventure! Get lost with Google Maps. So after having the other stick-on solar panels fail on the trailer, we're doing these 440 watt bifacial solar panels, and they're going to be tilting. We got 4 of them to do, and the old matey is doing a good job. You can see this is the back of the panel here. Now they're going to be on struts, and that's the front of the panel there. Here's the other 2 here. They're a beautiful panel, and you can see for the bottom plate we're using that cyclone rated racking down there. Let's see if I can get a better look at it. Get out of the, there you go. And then they're getting hinges on them. It's going to be marvellous, mate. Marvellous. I would have shown the tilting panels on the ute, but the ute's not here. We put a 440 watt standard panel on the ute almost 12 months ago now, and it's a tilting panel as well, and it's been working great. These are all going to clear all the vents and everything on the roof of the caravan when they're tilted, so they'll still be able to use all their vents. There's going to be 2 at the back for the 400 amp battery pack on the back, and there's going to be another 2 on the front for the front battery pack. Of course they're both linked together, but splitting them up like that just means they're going to be better charged. So there's Ziggy over there. Say hello, Ziggy. Hello, she says. And these are the old, he had some of these panels on there. They're also tilted, but they weren't working anymore. But the biggest disappointment was the glue-on panels, because they failed, didn't they, mate? They just melted in the sun, shorted out.
Yeah, we went up for the wet season up to Broome, and they just couldn't handle the heat.
No, so that video will be just at the end of this one, so you can see why we're rushing around doing all this now. Because this is a family of 5 people, 3 little kids, and they really need their power and their air conditioner and everything else, because they homeschool. There we go. And the all power panels, we're checking them one at a time. We're going to go up and video them in a minute. Look, I'm pretty disappointed in them. When did we put them up? What, 6 months ago? 8 months ago we put these panels up there for a test, and they had to come back down to Perth to take one of their young'uns to the hospital. So it's a good chance to check those panels out, and you can see that panel there is only doing 5 volts maximum. It's not even producing any amps of power. It's pretty disgusting. Can you switch over to the other one? So he's going to unplug this one and switch over to the other one. We had to take them out because they just weren't doing anything. It's been a month since they've been doing anything. So they've lasted 7 months up on a caravan roof.
Righto.
Well, that one says it's doing 30. Is that both together or single?
Single.
Well, that one says it's doing 35 volts, and it's doing 0. Oh, well, that one's actually producing a bit. That's doing up to 4 amps.
Wow.
So that one's still working. Okay, it's under load now, so it's, yeah. So out of the two of them, one of them's dead and one of them's working. I'll just turn this camera up to me mate and he can just show you the panels. Can you, where are you?
Yeah.
Can you just try and hold the camera steady?
So this one here is the one that's working, but it's got a burn mark right there too.
At the connection.
At the, where? It's just
that's
underneath
the
here.
connection, yeah.
Yeah.
And the other one's not working at all.
The other one's not working, which is over there, far end. But they seem to peel too. They peel off, real sticky.
So they're not good, Jason.
No, not up north. They were.
They were fine down south, but
they
when
struggled.
you go up into the heat, they buggered.
Yeah, they struggle.
They struggle. So, yeah, we just can't recommend the All Powers panels, that sort, for Australian conditions. All right, I'll give you some more feedback on this later. Cheers for now.